Hey friends, let me share something with you today that I wish I knew years ago when I was struggling with my clients' curls. Curly hair isn't just about the products you use or how much time you spend fighting frizz. It's about the shape, the movement, and most importantly, how confident you feel when you look in the mirror. I know exactly how it feels to handle curls that feel completely out of control, frizz everywhere, and no real sense of style. It's frustrating, exhausting, and sometimes even discouraging. But here's the good news. The right haircut can completely change that overnight. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey through 7 curly haircuts that are absolute game changers. These aren't just trendy looks, they are cuts that embrace your curls, celebrate their natural beauty, and give you that confidence boost you didn't know you needed. And the best part, they're all unisex, so everyone can take inspiration from these styles. Why does the right cut matter, you ask? Before we jump into the haircuts, let's talk about why the cut matters more than most people realize. You could spend hundreds of dollars on the latest curl creams, gels, and conditioners, but if your hair is cut in a way that fights your natural curl pattern, you'll still feel stuck. The wrong cut can make your hair flat, frizzy, or lifeless. But the right cut, it's like magic. Suddenly, your curls have bounced definition and personality. I've had clients come into my chair feeling frustrated and almost defeated, and by the time we were done, they were smiling at themselves in the mirror as if they'd discovered a whole new person. That's the power of a cut that works with your natural curls rather than against them. It's the foundation, the starting point for everything else: styling, products, and even confidence. Why? Layered bob. The first haircut I want to talk about is the layered bob. This is one of my personal favorites because it works for so many curl types and lengths. Imagine short to medium length curls that suddenly feel light and airy, with layers that lift the hair instead of letting it hang flat. It frames the face beautifully, gives natural volume, and allows your curls to move freely. I remember a client who was hesitant at first, thinking that a bob would make her curls look stiff or unmanageable. But when we added just the right layers, her whole expression changed. She walked out of the salon laughing, touching her hair, and literally glowing. That's what a layered bob can do. It's approachable, elegant, and effortless at the same time. Shag cut. Next up is the shag cut. If you're looking for a style that's a little messier, a little freer, and full of movement, the shag is perfect. This cut is designed for curls that want to move and breathe. It has layers all over, creating volume where you want it, taking weight off where it's needed, and letting each curl find its own place. I love seeing clients run their fingers through their hair after a shag cut. It's like they're rediscovering their curls for the first time. And here's a little tip. Using a lightweight curl cream with this cut really helps to find the layers without weighing the hair down. It's the kind of style that feels effortless. But when you look in the mirror, you can't help but admire how alive your curls look. Tapered cut. Now let's talk about short hair. The tapered cut is a bold, modern choice that works wonders for curly hair. It keeps the hair longer on top so you can play with volume and texture while keeping the sides short and neat. This creates an instant lift, a sense of style, and a fresh, polished appearance. I remember one client who had always hidden behind longer hair, feeling like short hair would be too extreme. After the taper, she walked out with a completely different energy. Her posture changed. Her confidence was palpable, and she couldn't stop smiling. That's the thing about the right cut. It's not just hair, it's a transformation. Long layers. For those who love long hair, long layers are a must. Many people assume that layers will take away the weight and length they love, but in reality, the right layering enhances your curls. Long layers give your hair space to move, breathe, and show off its natural pattern. Heavy curls often get weighed down, making them look dull or flat, but when we cut long layers in just the right places, each curl finds its rhythm, bouncing and moving with life. I've had clients who had been struggling with limp, lifeless curls for years suddenly feel like their hair had a personality again. Long layers are subtle, but the effect is transformative. You feel lighter, freer, and more yourself. Asymmetrical cut. Then there's the asymmetrical cut. This one is for those who want to take a risk, make a statement, and truly stand out. One side is longer, the other shorter, creating an edgy modern look. It's bold, fun, and dynamic. I'll never forget a client who had always played it safe. She wanted something new, and we went for the asymmetrical style. The look on her face when she saw herself in the mirror: astonishment, delight, and finally, ownership of her hair was priceless. This cut is not just about the hair. It's about stepping into a version of yourself that you may have been holding back. It's empowering. Curly pixie. For the boldest among short hair lovers, the curly pixie is unforgettable. Short curls highlight your facial features, give movement, and bring out a playful, confident energy that is hard to ignore. I've seen people transform with this cut, going from shy and reserved to bold and radiant in a single appointment. And the beauty of the pixie is its versatility. You can style it softly for day-to-day life or define it with products for a striking evening look. Curly fringe. Finally, Let's talk about curly fringes. Adding a fringe to your curls changes your face, your style, and even your presence in a room. It's playful, youthful, and can completely redefine your look. I had a client who had always been hesitant about bangs, thinking they wouldn't suit her curls. After we cut a soft curly fringe, she looked in the mirror, laughed, and said, "I feel like I have a whole new me." That's what the right cut can do. It transforms more than your hair. It transforms how you feel about yourself. Styling tips. Of course, a haircut alone isn't the full story. Styling and products bring your new cut to life. Lightweight curl creams, leave-in conditioners, and diffusers are your best friends here. Scrunch in some curl cream, gently diffuse, and watch your curls come alive. Each layer, each curl, every movement suddenly looks intentional, natural, and effortlessly beautiful. It's like your hair is finally understood, finally appreciated, and finally free to shine. So there you have it. 7 curly haircuts that can truly change your look overnight. From layered bobs to curly fringes, each cut is about embracing your curls and letting your hair's natural personality shine through. Your hair is unique, it deserves care, love, and the right cut to make it feel alive. Which one of these cuts are you dying to try? Share it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, your curls are beautiful, versatile, and full of personality. And the right haircut will help you show that to the world.